Epson ET-2800, Troubleshooting, Paper Jam Solutions. Paper jams can disrupt your printing tasks. Understanding how to resolve and prevent them can save time and frustration. This section provides effective solutions for dealing with paper jams in the Epson ET-2800 printer. Removing jam paper. Follow these steps to remove jam paper from your Epson ET-2800. 1. Turn off the printer and unplug it. 2. Open the printer cover and gently pull out the jam paper. Do this slowly to avoid tearing. 3. If the paper is stuck, check the paper path for any remaining pieces. 4. Close the printer cover and plug in the printer. 5. Turn on the printer and print a test page to ensure the problem is resolved. Use a flashlight if necessary to see inside the printer. Be careful not to touch any internal parts. Preventing future jams. Proper maintenance and handling can reduce the risk of paper jams. Use the correct paper type. Refer to the printer manual for paper specifications. Do not overfill the paper tray. Keep the paper below the maximum fill line. Align the paper correctly. Adjust the paper guides to fit the paper size. Keep the printer clean. Regularly clean the paper feed rollers. Store paper properly. Keep paper in a cool, dry place to avoid moisture. Regularly check for any worn or damaged parts that might cause jams. Replace these parts if necessary. Tip description: use high-quality paper. Low-quality paper can cause jams. Fan the paper stack. This helps to separate the sheets. Avoid mixed paper types. Use only one type of paper at a time. Following these tips can help ensure smooth printing operations with your Epson ET-2800. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.